Hi everybody, welcome into today's tips and tricks. My name is Michael McNally and I'm a learning strategist with Planet Technologies. And I'll be showcasing the Outlook Quick Parts tool. Have you ever found yourself typing the same content over and over in your messages? Well, that's where this Quick Part tool can come in handy. It lets you sort and choose reusable pieces of content like standard responses, instructions, or even email signatures, and quickly insert them into any email with just a few clicks. Instead of rewriting or copying and pasting, you simply just select from the Quick Part gallery and then it'll drop your message right inside the body of the email. So let's showcase how to do this. For today's demo, I'm going to be showcasing it inside of the new Outlook experience, but it does work inside of classic Outlook as well. First, we're going to start by doing the new message, the top left, and I'm going to full screen it so we can see it a little more easily. We would add our message or whatever text we plan on using for our quick parts later on. So this would be an example of something I'd send after a meeting to those who are in attendance. To save it as a quick part, I would just need to select the text, and inside of New Outlook, I would right-click it and choose Save Selection to Quick Parts. I could also go into the Insert tab at the top with all that text selected. So Insert, and go to Quick Parts here as well and save the selection. This is how it's done in classic Outlook. No matter the way I do it, once I click Save Selection, I'll just give it a name. So I'll just say Meeting and hit Save. I'll remove that text. And so in the future, whenever I go to add this to an email, I can always change it as well once I've added it. But if I go in and want to add what we just created, I'll just need to go to Insert, Quick Parts, and there is our meeting option there in the dropdown. Now this quick part will be added wherever the cursor is, so I can add text to existing content as well. And if I do have an email signature, it's going to show up at the bottom of my message when I do send it. Now, if I need to manage the existing quick parts, I would just need to go back up to the quick parts dropdown, go to manage quick parts, and this is where I can manage them or delete existing ones. So hopefully next time you find yourself needing to copy paste content into a bunch of emails where you have a lot of the same content you need to send across your emails throughout the week, you can think of quick parts and work that into your workflow. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.